Good morning, everybody. Here in Avondo, Montana. Just stayed in the town park right next to the bar museum here. This is Main Street here. Got the little Blackfoot commercial inn up there. But yeah, here's where I stayed last night. This is the Husco jail, the old jail. I was just gonna camp outside, but the fella across the street, Skip, he came over and we ended up talking for a few hours actually. But he said we could camp right in here. Pretty slick. Room for a couple dudes in there. I brought my bike in here as well. Super warm in here too, guys. But pretty slick. Really cool town. I've been really looking forward to getting here. It's just like a really cool Montana resupply point, bike friendly town. The population's only 80, so there's not much going on here. The cyclers have really kind of rejuvenated the area. I got my phones and my cameras charged in on the porch here. Got a little restaurant over there. Got a fly shop. That's really about it. So there's actually free camping here too, guys. You can camp inside of the wagon, camp inside the teepee, and you can camp anywhere here in the gravel. Also with a bathroom area out there. You get water out front of the general store as well. Another interesting part of the Lewis and Clark expedition. The Lewis and Clark route has popped up often on some of my bike tours out west. Camping the teepee for free, yo. What up? Totally should have done that instead. But yeah, they had power over at the museum. That's why I chose to camp there, guys. But should have slept in the teepee. This general store is supposed to open at 7, which is like 5 minutes away. I'm waiting around to get in there and resupply. I just need some food to jump over to the town of Lincoln, Montana, which is where the Unabomber's from. And I came pretty close to Lincoln on my 2014 bike tour, but never quite been there. So this time I get to go. Probably cross paths with my bicycle touring self earlier. So feeling rough, guys. Day 5. It's actually day 6, and I feel exactly like that. Lincoln, and then I'll move on. I'll probably camp a wilderness camp tonight in Grizzly Land, but then after that I think I'm gonna try to stay in Helena, maybe get a campground there and take a shower and stuff. I was able to get a shower at the RV park a couple nights ago, but it is time, my friends. But the weather's been super hot. This is actually the coldest morning that I've had since out on the trip. Thinking about maybe ditching my tent and just rolling up in a piece of plastic, because it's pretty nice for such a large percentage of the day. Why not just save a couple pounds and I don't know, just lay under a tree somewhere. Anyway, it's looking like 7 o'clock, guys. I'm gonna get some food. I'm just gonna make that jump to Lincoln and grab some more food there for the evening. But great stop. I talked to the guy in the general store there for quite a while. Got a lot going on in there. It's a great resupply point, and I had to ask him if he met Lael Wilcox when she came through, and he said absolutely, and she was really nice, and he showed me where she parked her bike out front and all that. So day 5 on to Lincoln, where the Unabomber used to live. Oh, Montana. On my way out of Ovando, I met Kathy from the Lael Wilcox documentary. No kidding, man. She said, rumor has it Lael's going for another record attempt. a beautiful day. Oh my God. So nice up here. Montana. I also have the maps too, and it's nice to know like where I'm at sometimes. Look at it. The Wahoo doesn't specifically tell me those kinds of things or where campsites are. But if I was like relying solely on the maps, I think by this time I would have died already. I mean, there's just so many turns, and it's just like, it would be incredibly hard to describe. I mean, I'm sure it can be done with the maps, but you would constantly be knowing your mileage and keeping track exactly of where you were. It'd be very tough, very tough. This is the latest start I've had on the trip so far, guys. I left at like 7:30 this morning. Up until now, it's been spot on 7 o'clock every day. But I'd like to get much earlier if I could. I think I could easily add 2 hours to that morning and see if I can get like trying to get just a monstrously huge day in. Probably not today, but like I said, if I can get on the road by 4:35, definitely. And based on upcoming terrain, I'd like to go for like something like 150 and see what I could do out here. All right, I think I'm on top of Huckleberry Pass here. I should be. Oh, it's just another beautiful day here in Montana, day 5. I told a lady back there it was day 5. She said I was going really, really fast, so I don't know. I'm just kind of trucking along here. Just absolutely awesome countryside, guys. This is so nice. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Staying at the llama ranch tonight, everybody. Check it out. Pretty sweet, guys. There's food here, it's free. There's drinks, it's free. Sandwiches in the fridge on the porch. I Got a nice little spot to stay, all free. Pretty sweet. Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. Trying to be quiet here. Don't want to wake anybody up. It's really only one other cyclist here. This is a guy Ethan I met last night. He's from St. Louis. He's bike toured all over. He biked across Utah, got on the Divide Trail, and now he's heading up to Jasper. So he's doing a hell of an adventure this year. But yeah, just hung out last night. We had dinner, had a couple beers. The Llama Ranch, it's like all free. It's not free. It's like if you were gonna give them any money, if you're gonna give them like 20 or 40 bucks to stay here, they prefer that you just take that 20 or $40 and like give it to somebody else down the street, or like pay for somebody's meal, or give somebody 20 bucks, or I don't know. It's just kind of a pay it forward mentality around here. And same goes for the free food they offer there on the porch. There's like beers and beverages and like food, sandwiches in the fridge. I mean, it's really sweet. They just ask that you pay it forward. So later on today in Helena, I'm gonna look around for an opportunity to pay it forward, or I might save it for down the trail and I don't know, try to help somebody out of a bind. But it's really cool what they got going on here. And if you ever come out to do the Divide, you have to stay at the Llama Ranch. It's 40 miles north of Helena, Montana. But I'm packed up here, guys. Just about 7 a.m., you know me, ready to roll. And I'm gonna make it into Helena today, and I think that's probably about as far as I'm going. But back on the road. Today's day 6. What a cool spot. I'm so glad I bumped into that. Anyway, day 6, Helena. Well, I got a puncture in the tubeless, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that dart I bought. It has 2 plugs in there, but I don't know. This is giving it a shot. I think it'll work. I think I got the dart to work, and I don't know, it has like a reversible end, so I used one end. Got another one in there. I think it works for right now. It's supposed to like adhere with the tubeless sealant. Anyway, I'll probably be at the bike shop in Helena, you know that. The patch seems to be holding up, so I don't know. It's got me paranoid, but I'm watching it. I think those darts actually really did the trick. But anyway, yeah, staying with it. just passed a sign that said Helena 28 and my way is like 44 miles. It's like, oh man, it's so tempting to go the other way. That way is a gravel road as well, you know, but sticking to the route. I'll get there when I get there, but I think I'm going to take the rest of today off, maybe grab a hotel and go to the bike shop and eat a bunch of food and figure things out. But loving every minute of it, guys. Day 6.